Hey, I'm Brian with Brian's Drum Lessons. I take beginning drummers with no experience to proficient in as little as time as possible. What I have for you today is my Drums for Beginners course walkthrough. All right. So I'm going to make my ugly mug smaller and we're going to get into this right now. So if you go to my homepage, you'll see that I've got all the normal stuff: services, testimonials, about me, contact, course login, all that information here. My Drums for Beginners course is at the top. I've got a free masterclass for those of you guys that don't have any drums yet. It takes you all the way through electric drums, acoustic drums, a buying guide, and even a checklist. So it's pretty cool. Got my free guides for beginners. If you jump into that, there's different guides. But what we're focusing on today is the course. So if you click on Get Started, it takes you to the sales page. You can read through that yourself. You can go read all about me and about the course. There is a free 30-day trial, and all new students, whether you do the annual plan or the monthly plan, everyone gets 30 days for free to try it out. Okay. So I'm going to dig into the course now a little bit. So once you go into the course, this is the dashboard, and all of your course content is going to be on the left, your videos in the middle, any links and stuff will be down below. And if you pay attention to the column on the left, we're just going to read through the material. All right. So here we go. So we got welcome section with a welcome and before you begin. Okay. And so it looks kind of like this. There's an introduction video, got a before you begin section. Then I talk about the masterclass briefly.
If you don't have a drum set, you will want to take it, and it's free, as I mentioned before.
Moving on down, there's a 10,000 foot overview. There's a section on email support and Loom video support, which is basically live Q&As for office hours. And those are random whenever I can get to them, but typically I'm going to shoot for once or twice a month, possibly even once a week if possible. We'll see how that goes. I've got the mindset training, right? So we get into mindset information, the drummer's journey, online lessons versus private lessons. Stoic philosophy for drummers, talk about that. Lesson flow and strategy pretty much goes over, what to practice, how much to practice, when to practice, and how the lessons themselves are going to work, right? How to read music section. That's pretty self-explanatory. Beats, fills, and solos is a rather large section, but there's an intro for that. And then it gets into the actual beats, fills, and solos here. So we got single stroke exercises and counting. We'll get into eighth note beats. I can open that up, show you. There's, quite a bit in there. Drum rolls, right? We talk about the double stroke roll. We get into the open roll. 16th note beats. Again, it's kind of the same thing. 16th note beats on one hand, two hands, 8th and 16th note combos, and then opening your hats. Drum rolls part 2. Drum fills. We break those down. We're going to get into 8th notes, 16th notes, and then combinations of both 8th and 16th notes, right? So everything's kind of made to stack on the previous lesson. So this is not like one of those courses that's just got a whole bunch of fluffs or celebrities. It's a direct, proven method. So we get into the triplet. There's a separate triplet study because I want to kind of spend some time breaking that down. Triplet beats, the triplet fill, triplets around the drum set. And then the sextuplet, aka the 16th note triplet. It's a grouping of 6 notes that can be thought of as triplets. They're not really triplets, but they can be thought of as triplets. It gets you into some hand exercises that help you, build your sense of time. So we've got rhythm pyramids in there. We got deep studies on the rhythm pyramid and then practical applications. Okay. Next, we got grooves and styles. Now this section's pretty cool. It gets into 4/4, quarter note open hat beats, the rock beats, revisiting the 8th note rock beat, and the songs intro, right? Backbeat groove, halftime groove, double time groove with snare and different placements. One hit grooves, syncopation section, right? It's moving the snare around a little bit more so you can be more, have more of a variety of things to pull out of your palette, if you will, right? And it just goes on and on. It's pretty deep section. We get into 3/4 and 6/8 intros, 3/4 beats, 6/8 beats, and so forth. Styles other than rock and pop. So you will touch rock and pop up to this point, but then you get into jazz, blues, country, and funk. Okay. It's a large section. All right. So after grooves and styles, we start to get into rudiments. Okay. So we talk about some flams and open rules. Some of my favorite rudiments, just to go through them briefly: Swiss Army triplets, the pot fla fla, the paradiddle, the inverted paradiddle, the paradiddle diddle, paradiddle around the drum set. So it's kind of like the first drum solo. And then what makes my course different and why you need to, not only if you're going to learn to play drums, but why I think you should take lessons with me is because I actually get into songs, and then I get into solos, and then I get into playing professionally. Okay. So to touch on those briefly, for songs, for instance, we get into cover songs. Just click on the section here. Right. Finding cover songs, breaking down cover songs. We look at different cover songs from real world studies and contemporary music. And then we look at finding backing tracks, charting a song, drum part creation walkthroughs, and then we get into original drums as well. So we get into original music as well. So, pretty much not just covers, but how you would learn and create a drum part for original music that somebody else had written. All right. And then we have the section where I pretty much break down my steps for drum solo and give you guys examples and then exercises to create your own. And then playing professionally is just a whole bunch of tips for actually preparing for auditions, landing gigs, performing with your band, and then continuing to serve the music and be a professional and not just a guy over there being flashy, right? But how to actually get work and having a lot of fun on the way, right? So to recap, this course takes you from total beginner with no experience at all through learning your first beats and then all the way to being proficient enough to perform with other people, right? To jam with your friends, to do YouTube covers, whatever it is you envision yourself doing. You can get this course below. Just click that button, go over to the sales page, and I hope to see you on the inside. All right. Thanks and happy drumming.